Hello, this is Mr. Collier, and today we are making some cumulative frequency curves in Desmos. Okay, so I've got some test scores here for test 1 and test 2. I've created some intervals from 10 to 20 all the way up to from 90 to 100, and we want to count the frequencies. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is select all your data for test 1. Okay, and I'm going to copy, Command C. Not copy. I'm going to sort because I want to put them in the order from smallest to biggest so I can count how many are in each interval. So now notice that I got it set up so that it's less than or equal to 20. So there's two values in that interval. And I'll go all the way up to 30. Actually, there's a count on the bottom. You can see this is 6, so it counts it for you. That's 6, and then in the 30s all the way up to and including 40 is going to be 10. And then I'll go to the 50s, 40s up to and including 50 is 8, and so on. Okay, next we want the cumulative frequencies. So the first one is just going to be 2, and the next one we get by adding 2 plus 6. So we can make a formula for that. Press equals. Click on that one, then plus 2. I'll click on G2 and press enter, and it calculates it for you. I'll drag this down. There we go. 111 tests, and yeah, there's 111 tests. Okay. So we can do the same thing for test 2 now. Next, we're going to graph this in Desmos, and we want to graph the rightmost point here. So we need 20, 30, so the right part of each interval. Let me copy and paste it down. We want these cumulative frequencies here. We need to copy, and be careful here. We need to paste just the values. So paste special, just the values so the numbers match. Yes, they match. Then I can copy and paste that into Desmos right here, and it makes some lines. You can fiddle around with the scale afterwards, but to get those lines connected, you can hold this one here and change it to line, and there we go. We have a cumulative frequency curve. We can change this to be like a maximum of maybe the y value can go up to just 100 or something. Oh, actually we need 120 or so. Okay, we don't need negative values, but maybe we want to see the y-axis. So there we go. And maybe we'll just leave it at that for now. You can create labels and stuff yourself. Okay, the next important thing you might want to do is to draw some lines across to show where the median is, or the quartiles. So I'll demonstrate here. You can draw a horizontal line with y equals 55. That gives you the median. And then we can start at 0 to 60.2 to get it to just hit the purple line. And you can do the same thing with a vertical line, x equals 68.2, and this is your range of y values. It gives you a vertical line from 0 to 55, so it looks like they sort of touch right there, and you can get the median from that.